I'm Megan, and welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Hilton, where I'll be showing you how to basically anything. I'm a wife, mother, and artist who is passionate about the human condition. I believe the best way to find happiness in your own life is to share it with others. Because of this simple idea, I've dedicated myself and about 15 years to making anything I plan memorable. At the end of your life, the moments that you make will be the memories you take with you, so why not make them the best ones possible? On my channel, I'll be posting new videos every How Tuesday. See what I did there? Teaching you how to plan anything. I won't be teaching you what to do in a step-by-step manner. I'll be teaching you the skills that you need to tailor what you want to do to you. Kind of like give a man a fish and he can DIY that one fish, but teach a man to fish and he can DIY lots of fish. Or a lobster, an octopus, maybe even a sea cucumber. It's really up to you. I will help you find your creative side for any event or vacation to take the stress out of your life, reclaim your time, and enjoy what really matters. The people in your life that make it worth living. The events and vacations that add up to a lifetime. So please, join me. I know it'll be a lot of fun. Check back every Tuesday and become a How Tooligan by subscribing below for new content. And make sure to comment and introduce yourself and let me know what you'd be interested in seeing. Thanks for stopping by.